Hello and welcome to the Small Exchange. Here are big movers in the smalls for Monday, October 12th. Well, stocks are getting off to the start of this week on a hot note, especially technology. We've got our Sticks product at all-time highs, now above $55. Small technology index is another full percentage point higher this morning. Twitter, actually the largest mover in the Sticks, hasn't really been a big mover one way or the other for that index in the last month or so, but Twitter's up 5% this morning, pulling technology up. And then that SM75 is around unchanged, but a little higher thanks to technology, as you could have guessed. Apple is the biggest mover to the upside in the small stock 75, up 3%. But SM75 actually being dragged now by those energy stocks that were outperforming. Last week, we've got Apache down 4%, creating a drag on technology, which is bringing SM75 to unchanged, and Sticks, that big outperformance on SM75 this morning. We'll see if that continues to ebb and flow. We've been looking at short Sticks, long SM75. Every time we see that gap kind of widen here, and it tends to come back and contract at some point. We'll see if it contracts this week, but I do like that short Sticks here at the new all-time highs and maybe offsetting some of that exposure with the long SM75, which is lagging this morning. Another laggard is small precious metals this morning, taking a breather off of those highs of $76 last week. And I know it looks a little funky, but keep in mind that silver and gold sold off pretty decent at the end of the week last week, which is accounting for SPRE showing negative today, but silver and gold showing slightly positive. Silver, the big seller at the end of last week, which is causing SPRE to show down this morning. SFX seeing a little bit of a bounce here. We'll see if that US dollar can gain some traction this week after they got down to new all-time lows last week. Australian dollar, the underperformer, which is causing that bounce in US dollar, but also euro down to start the week as well. We'll see if these trends continue or we see some reversion. It's going to be an interesting week of trading the smalls. Thanks so much for hanging out here on Monday, October 12th. Those are your big movers. Have a great day trading the smalls.